After the release of Volume 1 of Season 4, fans have run wild with theories. In the midst of trying to figure out clues regarding Vecna, Max's counselor Ms. Kelly has come under the microscope. Many fans have theorized that Ms. Kelly may have a connection to Vecna because of the clock pendant necklace that she wears. HollywoodLife spoke exclusively to Regina Ting Chen about the obsession with Ms. Kelly and specifically if she knows whether or not there's any significance behind the clock necklace. "I do not know what it means," Regina admitted. "I'm finding out alongside you guys. I personally do not know. It's a mystery to me. At least with my character, I'm kept in the dark about what happens. They're so good at keeping even their own cast figuring things out as they go and protecting them from any spoilers and whatnot. As of right now, I don't know. It's a mystery." Regina said she definitely did not expect there to be so much interest in Ms. Kelly. "It's been such an overwhelming response. Every morning I get a text from a friend or family member saying, 'Is this you? Have you read this?'" she told HollywoodLife. The actress revealed that she has read some of the theories. "I wish I could disclose more, but we all just have to find out when the show is out," she cryptically said. Ms. Kelly has come under fan surveillance after fans realized that Max, Chrissy, and Fred were all patients of hers. All three of them were under Vecna's curse, with Chrissy and Fred falling victim to Vecna in Volume 1. Some fans believe she could be connected to Vecna or even be working with him. All of Vecna's victims see a grandfather clock before they fall under his spell. What does Ms. Kelly wear around her neck? A clock pendant necklace, which some fans think could fit into the keyhole of the grandfather clock. When asked if she knew about Vecna while filming, Regina responded, "I think I have to keep that under wraps." She added, "I just know about my own storyline. I think that's very strategic. I think it's how they kind of keep everybody on edge." Regina got to work closely with Sadie Sink, who plays Max, in Volume 1, and she had nothing but praise for the young actress. "She's such an easy person to get along with. She's incredibly talented and you just feel comfortable falling into it. She is just a very honest, down-to-earth, fun young lady. I hope we get to see each other again in the future." While Regina was filming her scenes as Ms. Kelly, she was blown away by how fleshed out the world was. "It's Season 4 and I feel like the detail to literally every aspect of the show is even better," she admitted. "Everything in the 80s is correct down to the notepad or anything on my desk. You're just so immersed in the world that it makes playing Ms. Kelly pretty easy in a way. My mind was able to kind of travel and fall into place. It's great. The crew is so nice and everyone's family. It was nerve-wracking to walk onto a set that's already a family." Volume 2 of Season 4 will be released July 1st on Netflix.